Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view and claim reward on Binance. So just I'll log into my Binance account. So I will just tab on this my dashboard on more option. So from here I will just find the reward hub program. So a little bit scroll down, you will see and find the reward hub. So just tab on this reward hub program, and after inside now recently I don't have any reward or my points. So when you created a new account, and you will be get from Binance reward like 20 USDT in reward. So this is how you can find your reward and claim options in Binance account. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.